This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for July 24th, 2018. Corn market down 5 1/4, soybeans up 10 1/4, wheat down 1 to 6, Minneapolis down 6. You may wonder what the news was. Well, a $12 billion rollout of a potential aid package for the soybean and hog producers, particularly announced by Ag Secretary, the President, and kind of USDA in general. So we'll kind of piece together what this all means, but it kind of looks like there's 3 parts to this, and we've got to dissect it a little greater to get an understanding of just how much will be government bought, how much will be through the CCC program, and what kind of steps is the government going to take to aid in these particular arenas that were impacted by these tariffs. So the commitment from Trump is being followed through on to some degree, but a lot of details forthcoming. Basically, the initial onset is this potentially could create some demand as the government stockpiles potential soybeans and pork supplies, but the question will be, how does that impact us, or how does that impact us here in the longer term? So short term a little bit positive, and that's why you saw reaction out of the beans and hogs today. On the feeder cattle side of things, down 50 to 80, live cattle down 27.5 to up 67.5. The hog market down 81.5 to up 77.5. So really kind of a mixed bag for hogs. Cattle were actually down, 27.5 to 67.5. So a weaker feeder cattle, live cattle, a little mixed in the hogs, and we'll see kind of what that creates. But cattle market, a little cleanse should not come as a surprise. We're up against stiff resistance and had a very nice run up. A good healthy market should give us a little bit of cleanse here. The hog market, on the other hand, obviously today's news supporting the markets really 2 months out and further, so the December beyond, and we'll see if that can't carry through as we work ahead. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.